This is a Q6 Edge Pride Mobility Power Chair. It's a Q6 Edge iLevel. This power chair has 4 functions. It has the 12-inch seat lift, the electric recline, the electric tilt, and the electric legs. This chair only has 33 miles, so it's practically brand new. 33 miles is probably 2 or 3 months of usage. You can see it's still brand new. The color is green, stealth green, which is a sharp color. So now this chair has a lot of features. So the first thing we're going to show you is how the seat lift works. You can work the seat lift through the joystick or through the switch box back here. So I'm going to go to the first button right here, which is the electric tilt. Let me go back to the seat lift here. The third button is the seat lift. So this is your 12-inch seat lift going up. You're going to start about 22, and by the time you're all the way up, you'll be about 34 inches. See how quiet that is? The nice thing about this seat lift too, it's a 4-point seat lift, meaning the armature on this chair is very well built. You can see you have X-rod here, X-rod on the opposite side, so you have a real solid base for your seat lift. We've got 14-inch non-skid wheels here, caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. We've got anchor points that are tied to the frame, so these will not move right here, and there's 2 on each side. So if you have a van or a lift, you can use those to secure your chair. You have a motor for each wheel. Each wheel has a motor. If you want to put this chair in neutral and you want to roll it, you got to make sure first of all that the power is off on your chair, because if the power is not off, even if you have it in neutral, you'll get some resistance. So to put it in neutral, it tells you right here on the yellow sticker, push it down on both sides and you're in neutral. It unlocks the gear. Now this chair weighs right about 400 pounds, so remember, if you have a person in the chair plus the chair weighs 400 pounds, it's a little bit heavy to push, but this is how you could push it manually. Put it back in gear, put the lever back up, and you're back in gear. Turn your power back on, and you're ready to go again. Now, the nice thing about this chair, with the seat elevated, it will still drive at the full speed. So with the seat elevated, you'll still be able to drive it. As you can see, it moves right at 3 miles an hour. So this is your seat elevation with the speed. You can see how fast it goes. You can see the suspension in the front. You have suspension here, suspension there, and the suspension can be adjusted by turning this ring in the bottom. You can adjust the tension of the suspension. If you need to change the batteries in this chair, the batteries always come out from the front of the Q6 Edge. There's 2 levers here, squeeze them together, the cover comes out, and your 2 batteries come out. If you have a chair with electric tilt, electric recline, you need to get the seat up or the legs up in the air, because you're not going to be able to get to this. 2 batteries, they're 55 amp batteries, so you should be able to get about 13 to 15 miles on a battery charge. That all depends on the weight of the user, what kind of surface you're on, and what kind of rider you are. So this is your 10-inch seat lift right here. The next thing we're going to show you is the electric, it's going to be the electric tilt. Now, this chair has what's called a swing away joystick. So you can swing the joystick away from the front, all the way to the side like this. This joystick can be put on the right or it can be put on the left, and we can switch the drink cup from the left to the right if we have to. So this is a swing away joystick. The next thing I'm going to show you is the electric tilt. This is called your electric tilt right here. Another thing about this chair, the arms do flip out of the way on both sides, so if you're transferring from the side, you can flip the arms up out of the way. So this is your electric tilt right here. So this is a full electric tilt. The next thing I'm going to show you is the electric legs. So this is your legs going out. And the nice thing about these legs, when they go out, you'll notice once they stop, they'll push forward a little bit. You'll see that in a minute here. Right there. You'll see it push forward. There they go. So you have an extra push of a couple of inches forward. So if you needed some circulation, you could do it this way. That's a little extreme right there, but you could possibly be about halfway up like this, and if you still want your legs higher than your body, you could do it probably on this angle here and still be higher than your body. So that would be the electric. We've covered now the electric seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric legs, and now we're going to cover the electric recline. So this is your electric recline here, going back here by itself. So this is your electric. So you're getting here a full electric recline all the way down. So if you want to see what it looked like, if you're laying in your chair all the way down with your legs up, this is the position you'll be in. So that's a full electric recline right there with the legs elevated. Now I'm bringing the back and the legs back down with two buttons here, but if you want to do that all in one function, you can do it through the joystick right here. But I like to use the switch box. For me, it's quicker doing the videos. When you're outside, you should always leave your legs out, at least that far out, so you have a little more clearance under your legs, so it's safer. So now we've covered all the electric function of the chair. The next thing we're going to cover is the seating system. The seat on this chair looks like it's about 16 inches wide. So it's 16 by 20. So the depth is 20, the width is 16. You've got support pads on the side here. This is an upgrade on that chair. You've got the cup holder which can be transferred from the left to the right. You've got a real nice partially gel cushion. On the back of the chair, again, you've got the same suspension we have in the front that can be adjusted. There's your suspension for the back. You've got push bars. This is an upgrade. Most chairs don't have these. So you have push bars here you can use to push the chair. You've got a headrest here that's fully adjustable. There's several functions here, several ways to adjust this headrest. And if you want to take the headrest off, you can just take it off, but you can see all the adjustments on the headrest. Also back here we've got what's called a tandem control. So by switching the function on this chair, I can drive this chair from here, from back here. I can do anything I want with it right from here. And I can also make the seat tilt, recline, everything from here. So this is the attendant control here. So whenever you switch from the attendant control back to the front, you have to turn the power back on in the front. You're not going to have both at the same time, just for safety purpose. So this power chair here, with 33 miles on it, it's practically new. It does have a charger that comes with it. All these Q6 Edge come with a charger. So when you charge this chair, you just take your charger, plug it in the bottom of your joystick. As soon as the light turns red, from red to green, you're fully charged. The charger will start charging automatically as soon as the chair is full. So you don't have to worry about overcharging your chair. Now, the seat on this chair is 16 by 20. If you wanted something a little bit bigger seating, so we can adjust these seats, we can go all the way up to 22 inches if we have to. We can adjust all that. So if this is the chair you want, but the seat's too small, but you love the looks of this chair, and you would like a bigger seat, give us a call. We'd be glad to work with you, and we'll be able to help you. So again, to recap on this chair, we've got a Q6 Edge iLevel power chair, fully loaded, 12-inch seat lift, electric tilt, electric recline, electric legs, swing away joystick, gel cushion, drink cup holder, side guard pads here, attendant control in the back, push bars, anchor points, solid tires all the way around, 33 miles, ready to go. So again, Q6 Edge, fully loaded, 33 miles. Fantastic color. Went through the grass with no problem. My grass is a little bumpy, so it went out there. It's suspension. You can see the suspension in the grass. There's no issues there. Great chair. On the concrete here, it rides like a cushion of air. It's just got the suspension on these chairs. It's just fantastic. This is a beauty.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.